with the Poultry initiative, which is designed to include purpose-built facilities for about 100,000 birds, modern feeding systems, a feed mill, and environmentally responsible waste management. This initiative aligns directly with our national objectives under the Feed Ghana and Nkoko Nketenkete to strengthen domestic poultry production and significantly reduce reliance on imports by 2028. We expect to enhance local capacity, stabilize prices, create jobs, and advance food security and inclusive agri-business. This is how policy becomes practice. And our government will continue working with strength-based activities to deliver sustainable development. I also thank the working community for your broader contributions to national life. I was impressed by your exhibition. Well done. Your investments in education, healthcare, and humanitarian service are inspirational. When I was Minister for Education, I witnessed some of those educational initiatives firsthand, and I remain impressed by the innovations and initiatives. Let me commend my people, the women. Where are you? The Latina in my life. My people.